don't remember the song. Hi guys, welcome to another Tipsy Duo episode. Again, we're gonna do a margarita. We're gonna rim our glass. Have you got any guesses? You think it's gonna be a peach margarita, a watermelon margarita? What do you think? I should have brought a proper knife. This one is dull. Oh, come on. I think I can just rim it like that now. Great. I'm using a tajín to rim my glass. Perfect. So, I'm here to take out my main ingredient for the margarita, my watermelon, and obviously triple sec. I'm using a Cointreau here, and the tequila. Let's go and shake this up. So here I come with my star of the show and the booze. We need a couple pieces, like not too many. Just gonna cut this. Basically, because I'm not gonna add any watermelon syrup in, I'm just gonna blend my watermelon and use that in my cocktail. What a failure. Best thing is to use your fingers. And I'm gonna eat this one. Good to go. Put the lid on and blend it. Lovely. What we need to do now is to make a margarita. Grab your shaker. And first thing first, I'm gonna strain my juice because I don't want any bits and pieces inside my drink. Oh, actually, it wasn't seedless. I can see some black bits. Good thing that I didn't just pour it directly into my shaker, right? Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it now. I think that's more than enough, to be fair. Grab your tequila and add 60 ml in. Cointreau or triple sec. I'm gonna add 30 in. And we're gonna squeeze half a lime inside our shaker. Next thing, I'm gonna add 15 ml of agave syrup in as well. Let's take our ice. Let's go. Come on, come on. I'm back with my ice. And I'm no longer gonna use my fingers. So let's pour some ice in. We're not pouring, we're dropping from a distance. That will do. Let's start shaking, 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 shaking. Shaking, 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 shaking. Bam, 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 ba-dam, bam, ba-ba-da, ba-da, bam. Nah, I don't remember the song. And obviously, we can do with a nice chilled glass for a good margarita. So come with me. I'm here with my chilled glass. I'm gonna take a seat now. One last shake. And we're gonna pour it in. Wow. Voila. Here's our boozy watermelon marg. Ooh. Are you ready to taste it? Sprinkle some more tajín on top of it. Let's taste it. Guys, before tasting it, I thought about adding a beautiful garnish. Let's see, try to scoop out sublime. Perfect. Now we're gonna taste this delish. I'm sure delish. And cheers to you. Wow. I love the kick of the alcohol because obviously I made a mocktail version, but this is something else. This is, I don't want to say that wasn't good. That was a bit sweet, but this one is like much better balanced. And you should definitely give this one a try as well. We're going all out on margaritas. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo. I'm gonna come back with more variations of the classic margarita. Cheers.